This is the future.
I'm Sunil Kumar. I represent HSD Mechatronics Italy.
All right, sir. So we are here at Shubhline Automation Pvt Ltd, which is India's first ever manufacturing company to produce heavy-duty double column machinery. Right? You might be aware of that.
Yes, I'm absolutely aware. I think Prostar or Shubhline Automation is the first company which has started this kind of machines in India.
Yeah.
And it is very encouraging to see Shubhline doing this as a Make in India project. Wish Shubhline good success with this machine, and they should also look at exports of these machines, which are very good in performance.
Okay. And so apart from that, do you have any feedback to give to our company? Any changes you would like to see in the future?
It's good, beautiful, very rigid robot structure.
All right, sir. Thank you very much for your valuable feedback. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.